Of course he decided to start eating now when I'm about to give him his medicine. Oh man. Good morning, Denise. Good morning, Maggie. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning, Megan. Oh, good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Ashley. How's he doing? Girl, oh, this dog. I'm currently washing his blanket. I think, honestly, he might have a UTI. Because, like, I'll take him out and he'll go pee. And then he'll come in. He won't even drink water right away or anything. He'll come in and just tinkle just a little bit. And then I just walked Frank and he was freaking the fuck out that I left. I could hear him crying all the way outside. So we can only see how this is gonna go. He's currently eating his puppy meal, puppy food or whatever. I asked the vet if I should be specific with like soaking it, making it softer for him. She's like, no, he's got chompers, they'll handle it. How did he do last night? He woke me up more than he did the night before. You look very tired. I am. Taking care of a baby is easier than taking care of this puppy. Goodness gracious. Because if he's not awake, he'll literally wake me up choking. Like he does this weird like coughing, choking thing. I don't know. Well, that's what makes me think he has a problem breathing. But my lord. Josh wanted to take him to his house so that he could just be outside with his dogs. And then I was like, okay, yeah, I'm down for that, whatever. My hair is so poofy because it's so humid out. I was like, okay, I'm down, whatever. And I'm glad I didn't because this thing literally cries as soon as I leave. Like when I got in the shower and he didn't see me, he was having a meltdown. So this is not be good. This is not going to be good. So are you keeping him? Hell no. Hail to the no, girl. I do not have time for another dog. Like, him being here is keeping me behind on so much. Especially being able to clean my house. I can't even make a turn without trying to think I'm going to run this poor baby over. Why are you peeing again? I just took you out. My lord. How old is he? 10 weeks that that's said about? Buddy, we literally just got back from being outside, homie. And that was a lot. So you didn't even pee outside completely? What did you just pretend pee? At least your pee is finally not super yellow. So I guess I should be thankful for that. But oh my gosh. We went through 2 bottles of cleaner already with this dog. My lord. Hold on, girl. Let me wash my hands. Come here, puppy. Oh, Lord. I ain't got time to go get Nature's Miracle. Come on, you. Little raggedy little thing. Say hi to everyone. I tried puppy pads and they don't work. I'm gonna have to give him a bath. He smells like pee. Because he peed in the blanket. Frank, this ain't for you, dude. It's for him. The longer you keep him, the closer he is to Mama Ania. Girl, I wanted to literally give him to the vet yesterday. And Josh was like, we'll give it like 2 or 3 weeks, or a week or two, and see if we can find him our own home so we can give it to someone we know. Oh my gosh, why is this so fucking hard? Is there a cover on it? Oh. That did not look like a cover. Come here, little buddy. He does not want to open his mouth. He's like, no, bitch. Take it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you guys want me to go live when I give him a bath? I ain't got time to watch you, but I'm doing it. Okay. But we'll have a good home for him. I'm sure Josh doesn't have to deal with him all day. I think that's why he's trying to prolong it. Because he's not the one here cleaning up piss and dog shit all day. Taking him in and out. Every 30 to 45 minutes, I'm outside with this thing. And I get it. Like, you know, puppies are a lot of work. But this got sprung on out of nowhere. He looks identical to Josh's dog, too. It's crazy. Girl, the difference is, let me tell you guys this. I don't know why people are comparing a dog to a fucking child. For one. Two, I planned for a baby. I did not plan for this to happen. Okay? This was a spur of the moment. And on top of that, at my old apartment, when I had Frank and I was potty training him, I had no carpet. I have carpet in 3 bedrooms here. So for people to be like, you're tired after taking care of a puppy? Fuck yeah, this thing wakes me up every 30 fucking minutes. And I have to go outside and sit outside for like 15 to 30 minutes. And then come back in, lay for 5 minutes, and then do it all over again. So, yeah, I'm fucking tired. Not only that, I did not get to sleep the day we got him, and I haven't slept since. And I barely slept all weekend because I was with my family. So hell yeah, I'm tired. Gia, it's 3 days worth for these meds. So I have no idea why the fuck y'all are even comparing my pregnancy and a plan to be a mother to me having a dog that was picked up from a random highway. Mind baffling. Becky, I don't sit here all day and hold him. He sits in a box with a blanket. Babies also don't shit and piss all over your floor and your carpet. Yeah, this puppy literally fell into my lap. And that's what people aren't comprehending. I do have all the bedroom doors shut. But like there will be moments where I go in there and I can't even leave him outside of the door because then he shits outside of the door of the bedroom I'm in. And then I have no way to go over it. He doesn't get to roam the house. He does. Oh my God. I don't know how else to explain it. If you think it's so easy, come and get him. And he'll be all yours. I know, Bradney. It's fucking insane. He does get to roam the house, but he's got a box with a blanket. So when I want to like step out or do something, I put him in that box, even though he's attempting to crawl out of it now. No, Tammy, I'm not going to work things out. I don't even have an ASPCA by me. So if you want to come get him and take him to yours, you're more than welcome to. I also have kept him as long as I have to ensure that he gets the meds he needs before he goes to a different home. Get a small kennel? No. Anyway, buddy, you want to get down? Hey. As if I have all fucking day. As if I have all fucking day to sit here and hold him and cuddle him. Please. I don't even do that to my dog. He's found a new spot though. Laying over there by the toys. And then there's just Frank right here. No fucks given. I mean, I should have, left him on the side of the fucking road? Is that what you guys are telling me? Frank does not enjoy his company. Frank does not care about nobody, girl. If you guys don't know Frank by now, it's comical. This dog is an only dog in the household dog. He will sit there and play. Plus, he doesn't like small dogs, so he doesn't really understand this puppy. Like, he doesn't understand it's a puppy, I don't think. Because, like, Frank will be laying down and the puppy will try to, like, come and lay with him. And he'll just get up and go to the other side of the room. Yeah, Gia, I ran Frank over. You're peeing again, bro? Oh my goodness. Watch out, Frank. Move your butt. Watch out. So I can roll that way, please. Move it, puppy. No. Leave it. Leave it. I think he's got a UTI. Anybody want to pay for my paper towels? Because literally I'm on the third fucking roll. Third roll, and it's what? What time is it today? It's 11:20 a.m. I'm on a third roll of paper towel. He has pads set around the house. He's 10 weeks old, you guys. He's 10 weeks old and he literally came from the bushes. He does not understand what puppy pads are. It's day 2. It's not gonna happen like this. Frank never peed this much when he was a puppy. I already took him to the vet. I'm not taking him back to the vet. Unless she's taking him home. Watch out, puppy. They have to be trained for puppy pads. They don't use them. Yeah, I place him on top of the puppy pads. No, watch out, puppy. In the middle of the night, when he comes back from being outside, just in case he needs to do anything else and he doesn't use them. I've left the pads, I've soaked the pads in his pee. Why are you trying to chew on this bottle? I've soaked his pee on the pads and left it there for him to know. But you guys also gotta realize, like, I have a dog, and at some point Frank's gonna try to start marking over him for territory, and I can't have that in my house. I haven't been able to mop my floor since I got back or vacuum them. I haven't been able to do anything cleaning wise except for laundry. All kinds of laundry. He's not just gonna start peeing on a pad if I stick it out. I'm right here. Take him outside so he knows not to go inside. Hate potty training. Girl, I can't just snatch this dog up and take him outside and run outside with him immediately after he pees in my house. This dog already done forgot what the fuck he did. He's peeing again. I definitely think he has a UTI. 100% has a UTI. He just peed again. All the vets are busy today. Literally, I've called all the 3 that I went to. I called the one that I took him to and she said she'd take him. I haven't heard back from them about availability today. She said afternoon. It's 11:24. Thanks, Rudy. You guys, I can't just order dog diapers on Amazon. They're not gonna get here today. You guys stress me out sometimes. And he's peeing again. What are you doing, dog? Definitely think he has a UTI. And he just, oh my God. Help me, Jesus. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, puppy. Watch out. have any baby diapers to just pull out, you guys. I have Oliver's, but I'm not doing that. No, Audrey. It's been worse this time than yesterday. Get out the water. Susan, I need her references before she comes and picks up a dog and transports him. I'm surprised they didn't check you for UTI at the vet. They're not gonna check for UTIs at a vet unless you give them reason to. Just like when you give a urine sample, they don't just be testing you for all kinds of stuff. The gynecologists do, they test for everything. You guys, I have pee pads down. Oh my God, for the love of God. What are you doing, dude? Nancy, come and get him and take him to the Humane Society if you think they're just gonna pick him up like that. He just peed again. Are you okay? How much are emergency vet bills? Like, I know my emergency vet in Ohio was $250 for their emergency vet charge. How much are they here? I'm about to call around. I'm waiting for her to call me back, Dawn. You guys just think I want to just hold on to this dog. Here. I don't know what you're doing. Come here, puppy. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I know. Emergency vets are double the cost usually. Hold on, he just peed again. Janice, I know they have belly bands for dogs. I don't understand how a belly band would help me when he would go through a belly band within probably like an hour. So then what? Watch out, belly. Watch out. Move your butt. Watch out, puppy. Keep moving. Keep going. Still in my way. Watch out. What is this? I found where he was. I'm taking a shit in the corner by the patio door. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could not leave the dog at the vet with the lady. She was at work. Holy fuck. She said to call me if I get desperate. That doesn't mean that she initially wanted the dog right then and there. She said, call me if you get desperate and have nowhere for the dog to go. That doesn't mean leave the dog with me right here, right now. Thank you. Like, how are you guys not comprehending that? My God. I truly don't fucking understand. If you guys have so many fucking answers to this dog, come and get him. Come and get him. If you think I'm doing such a horrible job, come and get him. Holy fuck. I'm too sleep deprived for this shit. God. Dang. Y'all act as if I want to sit here and hold on to this poor little pup. Fuck no. You never heard me say what, Christine? You think I'm doing such a horrible fucking job? Come and get him. Literally, I will give you my address. Come and get him. No, the vet can't take him pronto regardless if the vet's at work. And I don't know how many times I have to repeat in this fucking video that I'm waiting to hear back. Do I need who to come down? Josh doesn't live here, Angela. So how would he be waking up with the dog and helping with him? He's got 2 of his own dogs to take care of. Like, my bad for fucking picking up a dog from the side of the road and not letting him get hit by a car or dying. My apologies. My bad. You're right, I should have just left him there. Because all I'm doing is making him attached to me. My fucking bad for giving him a fucking home and some food and water. My bad. I should have just left him on the side of the fucking KFC parking lot right off the highway. You think I'm doing it so fucking wrong? Come and get him. My door's unlocked. Let me just show up at his vet's doorstep and be like, I know you're booked today, and I know this is your company and your job and your building, but I don't give a fuck what you say. Take this dog in now. Like, let me just go do that. I'll let you know how that works out. Because people are just so eager to take on a puppy that needs medical care and 24/7 fucking attention. Because it doesn't know what a house is. I don't think y'all realize how fucking stupid you sound when you just tell me to go and do this with him. I don't know if you know this, but shelters That's why they're being dumped. The dumping of dogs has increased so much, and the number one reason is because there is no room for them in society, human societies, shelters, rescues. There's not enough fosters. And if you're too fucking dumb to know that, go read it on the internet. It's posted all over. I'm sure you have a fucking TikTok. I'm sure every time you scroll at least once a day, there's a video of somebody dumping a fucking dog or finding a fucking dog or a litter of dogs. And if you don't, give me your For You page because that's a blessing. Close the live off? No. I'm on a rant now. You done got me fucking started. I'm gonna tell these dumbass bitches how I feel about it. They're obviously fucking small brain. If they think it's that fucking simple. Can we call him Cooper? Yeah, if you come and get him, Michelle, you can call him whatever you want. Fucking idiots, dude. I seriously cannot. People don't ship animals like this. You can ship animals that aren't like animals. I don't know how to explain it. If you don't want the comments, you're getting to put your stuff on live. Bitch, go flick your bean. Shut the fuck up. You call me a bitch? No, what? My hair is so fucking frizzy. Look at that. There's a difference between getting comments and being told what the fuck to do. Because if I'm doing it so wrong, you're more than welcome to come and do it for me. I will literally not fight you on it. I will not. Trust and believe that. Anywho, I'm almost certain that he has a UTI. The only reason why he hasn't went with the vet is because the vet said if I get desperate to call her. And two, I had 2 people reach out to me. I'm waiting on a 3rd one to let me know by the end of today if they're able to take him. That's the only reason why this dog is still here. Because if he goes to those 3 people, he's going to be local and close, and I can keep an eye on him and get updated. And obviously see him grow up if he goes to those 3 people. But I didn't want to mention that in case they fall through. So then people on here aren't like, wow, I can't believe they would tell you they were going to take him and they're not. Because I can already see that happening. Oh, we don't have a PetSmart in my area. He wasn't doing it yesterday. I mean, he was peeing. I'm drying his blanket right now because he's cold. You can tell he's shivering in the corner. Come here, buddy. Yeah, puppy, look at all your sooner warmer. Until your blanket gets off the dryer. It's not going to take long. I'm literally doing my fucking best with something that happened in the spur of like 1 hour. These little puppy grunts. He doesn't feel warm, Chelsea. They can afford dog food. They already have pets. I mean, I get it. It's the internet, but for the love of God, shut the fuck up. If you're not going to sit here and come and get him and do the things you're telling me to do, don't tell me to do them. He doesn't feel warm. I think he's just cold because, I mean, he's used to laying in the box with the blanket. He shivers at night, too. He's skin and bones, you guys. Like, this dog is literally skin and bones. I could never be angry with a dog. I don't give a fuck how dumb you bitches sound. I would never take my anger out on an animal. Deborah, bye, girl. Buddy. I don't know what's wrong with him. His nose hasn't been wet or cold since I got him. Since we picked him up from the side of the road. It's not warm though, but it's not wet or anything. Maybe scared of your yelling? Oh my god, shut up. I guess I was yelling in my sleep then too. Because I would have to put my hand down on him to prevent him from shivering. Yeah, Courtney, come and get him, girl. It won't be hard letting him go because I'm not getting attached. He does these little puppy grunt noises. I don't know. And he breathes really heavy. But he was very, very warm when we first picked him up. He's a whopping 9.5 pounds. His nose isn't dry, it's just not wet. A thunder coat, girl, no. It won't get here in time by the time that he leaves. I'm literally doing my best with the resources I have. But I'm not about to go and do all this crazy shit y'all are telling me to do. Kayla, these fucking people are crazy. That's all you missed. Telling me, well, why are you still holding on to the puppy? As if I want to hold on to him. Telling me I need to put pee pads down all throughout my house. As if I don't have pee pads. And if I haven't done that, because, you know, I've never had a puppy before, I guess. Telling me as soon as he pees, I need to run outside, as if I can do that. I don't think people realize that, like, literally a dog does something and will forget what they've done So yeah, they're pretty much telling me how to raise a puppy, like as if it's my puppy. Yeah, I'm in Alabama. He just randomly shivers. Tammy, for the love of God, it's different from seeing and hearing my comments than people constantly telling me I'm doing this wrong or that wrong or this wrong. There's a difference between commenting and then trying to tell people what the fuck to do when they've already done it. I don't know, I'm putting him in the box. Frank is definitely not getting attached. Alright, Courtney, let me know. If I had room for another puppy, I would definitely keep him, but I don't. You guys do realize that I've been talking about being tempted on getting another dog. But if I would have wanted to do that, I would have already done it. But I know I don't have time for one, so that's why I haven't. He's 10 weeks. 10 weeks going on. Going on freaking 10 years with his attitude. Hi Angelica, how are you, beautiful? Across from Mobile. Yeah, he's definitely gonna be a much bigger dog than Frank. Much bigger dog than Frank. Definitely not meant for apartment life. A 100% not. He is figuring out my wheelchair though, so that's good. Haven't ran him over. That's surprising. No, I didn't go and get this puppy. I found him. She does not know shit about the puppy. All she's doing is complaining to do something about it. It's that simple. I'm out of here. Ridiculous. Bitch, I'll do you the favor. Block, bye, so we make sure you don't come back. I know, that's what I'm saying. If you're so worried about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, come and get him. That's what I keep telling him. Like, if I'm doing such a horrible job, come and get him. by all means, the door is open. It's very rare my door is locked. All right, buddy, I gotta put you down so I can check on your blanket. He's going back in his little corner by the toys. I think he's starting to cuddle the toys because I've been warming him up to toys by putting a toy in his box at night. So I think that's why he's laying on him now. Like before, he would just go over and chill in the toy box. And here, buddy, it's nice and warm too. Literally my Home Depot box. Nice and clean and warm. You're lucky I like you and I'm letting you have my good blanket. But it's the blanket we had in the car. It's all clean and washed. I don't know when you peed on it, but you've definitely been peeing on this damn thing. Because it smelled like pee this morning. Come here, puppy, look. Get in here, it's nice and warm. Look. Go in there. There you go. And a little toy. Oh yeah, Kim, it's gotten wild. Look. Let me turn the flash on. Look at him in his little box. You okay? You okay? You don't have to get out. I was just moving it. No, we're not keeping the pup, girl. No, I'm not married. Yeah, he needs a lot of attention. That's another thing. Like, he definitely thinks, like, when you leave him in a room, he starts freaking out because I think he thinks he's been dumped again, which was my biggest fear of letting him go to Josh's house and then letting him leave him outside. Because I'm like, I feel like that will make him think that he's been dumped again. And then there's Frank. Frank is just like, bitch, hell yeah. Life is great. So there's that. Anyways, I have to go live in supporters. Well, Courtney messaged me. I'm gonna jump off here and get in supporters. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you, Stacy. No, I just want to fuck off on people on here because literally they irk my fucking... Their existence irks me. Their existence on my life just irks me. Yeah, I definitely think he has separation anxiety from being left. Or being alone out there for so long. I don't know how long he was out there for. I mean, he's only 10 weeks old, you know? But he's definitely passing the worms because I saw this today from the medicine when he just pooped. Maybe. I don't know. But I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Like I said, I'm going to go on supporters and hang out and just catch him up on everything. And I will be seeing you guys later and keeping you guys updated. No, Kelly. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye.